Okay, second grade, our learning target today that we worked on is that you can identify odd and even numbers. So earlier this afternoon you told me that odd numbers were 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And the way that you could tell if they were odd is that you could show if they had partners or not. So if I have 3 circles here and I want to partner them up, these two could go together, but this circle doesn't have a partner. So that's odd. There's no one for that person to be with. Let's say if we had 5 circles, well, these two could be partners. These two have a partner, but look here. There's nobody for this one to have a partner with. So that is odd as well. Same with 7. If we have 7 out here, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, these two could be partners, but I still have one left over. So anytime that you have a number 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, you know that that's an odd number because somebody is left out, doesn't have a partner. Okay? Even numbers then are going to be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If I just have 2, everybody has a partner. It's equal. It's fair. If I have 4, everybody has a partner. Nothing's left over. Same with 6. And 8. And what if I go to 10? Because the number 10 ends in a 0 or has a 0 in the ones place, so that also makes it an even number. So if you skip count by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, every number that you say is going to be an even number. All right. So another thing that we talked about that I want you to be thinking about some more is that sometimes we have numbers that are bigger than 10. So we're going to talk about the number 57. Now with the number 57, my 5 is in the tens place, so I'm going to put that down here, and my 7 is in the ones place. Okay, so if you make the number 57, you're going to use 5 tens and 7 ones blocks. Okay, that's how we represent the number 57. And we're only going to look at the ones place to determine if a number is odd or even, because that's right here. So if we have 7 ones, we know that the entire number 57 is odd. Okay, if I have the number 34, I'm only going to look at the ones place. I know that 4 is an even number, so if we pair it up, everybody is happy, everybody has a partner. And so 34 is an even number. We never look at the tens place because 3 is actually an odd number. But we don't use the tens place to determine if a number is odd or even, so always look at the ones. Okay, and also one more thing I want to show you is on the hundreds chart. We can, every other column, here's our 2's, all of these are going to be even. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 90, all of those are even numbers. Here's 3. We know that 3 is an odd number. All of the numbers in the 3's column are going to be odd. So 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, or 93. They're all odd numbers.
Another way that you can figure out if your number is odd or even is to look at your number line. You start at 0 when you're counting. So 0 is an even number. So we're going to change that to red. Now 1 has no partner. There's only one dot. You can't split it between 2 people. There's no partner for it. So 1 is odd. Now 2 is an even number. If you have 2 dots, they're both partners. So we're going to change our number 2 to an even number, which is in red. 3. You have 3 dots. There's 1 left over. that has no partner. So you know that 3 is an odd number. Now with 4, 4 would be an even number because there is a partner. Now if you look at this and you start up here, you have 0, 2, 4, 6. There's a pattern that if you count by 2s, your numbers are always odd, even. They're always even. So we're going to change our 8 and our 10, and those are our even numbers. Now, our odd numbers are in black. They have no partner.
Okay, second grade, so when you're working with your numbers today, I want you to remember that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are our odd numbers, and 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are our even numbers. And anything that you see in the ones place that ends in any of these numbers is going to be odd. Any number that has a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place, no matter how big that number is, it's always going to be even because we always look at the ones place.